Here's how to use CapCut templates now. If you're on CapCut and want to use a specific template or saw one from someone else, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. If you're on iPhone, Android, or a computer, open the CapCut app. There are two main places to find templates. Within the CapCut app, tap on Templates at the bottom left to browse available options. Through TikTok, open the TikTok app, tap on Search, and look for CapCut Templates. Scroll through videos, find one you like, and tap CapCut. Try this template. Then tap Use this template to open it in CapCut automatically. If you're starting in CapCut, you can find trendy templates by tapping the search icon at the top. You'll see recommended and trending templates. For example, if it's spring break season, you'll find related templates trending. Tap on one you like to preview it. If it looks good, tap Use Template. Once selected, CapCut will prompt you to add videos and photos. You don't need to use all available slots. Just select the clips you want and hit Next. The template will apply automatically. Now you have options to edit. Tap on clips to adjust volume or add filters. Replace clips if needed. Tap the back arrow at the bottom left to access audio and change the song. It defaults to the template song, but you can swap it. Tap Text to customize the automatic text. When you're ready to share, tap Export at the top right. You'll have two options: Save to device, save, and share to TikTok with or without a watermark. You can adjust the resolution, e.g. 1080p, and remove the watermark by posting on CapCut first. If you share directly on TikTok, the watermark won't appear. Tap Next, then Post. And just like that, you've created and shared your CapCut template video on TikTok. For more tutorials, subscribe and like the video. Thank you.